In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively perform a common task in Google Sheets, specifically, how to insert multiple rows. Whether you're working on a complex spreadsheet for work or maintaining your personal budget, knowing how to efficiently manipulate your Google Sheets can save you time and make your life much easier. So let's dive right in and explore how to insert multiple rows into your Google Sheets. First, you'll want to open up your Google Sheets document where you plan to add multiple rows. If you haven't already, navigate to your sheet by logging into your Google account and selecting the appropriate file from Google Drive. Once you have your spreadsheet open in front of you, locate the row where you wish to insert additional rows. Click on the row number on the left side of your sheet, which should highlight the entire row for you. Next, with the row highlighted, perform a right-click. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for the option that says Insert X rows above or Insert X rows below, depending on where you want the new rows to appear. The number of rows you can insert will depend on how many rows you have highlighted. If you want to add multiple rows, you need to right-click and select at least the same number of existing rows as the number you want to add. So if you need to insert 3 rows, make sure to highlight 3 consecutive rows before right-clicking. Now, perhaps Google Sheets doesn't quite offer the flexibility you need when inserting multiple rows across various sections of your spreadsheet. If you're finding limitations, you can manually insert multiple rows by repeating the previous step. However, an even more efficient method, if repetition is too cumbersome, involves using Google Sheets add-ons that are specifically designed for bulk operations. Searching for and installing an add-on like Power Tools might be a worthwhile investment, as it offers a range of functionalities, including inserting multiple rows swiftly beyond the native capabilities of Google Sheets. As you become more familiar with Google Sheets, incorporating such tools can greatly enhance your proficiency and efficiency. Once you complete your task and your rows are inserted, don't forget to double-check your data alignment. This step ensures that all newly added cells are consistent with the rest of your spreadsheet. Small errors can sneak in during the insertion process, but can be easily fixed by comparing the adjacent cells. That's all there is to it. You've effectively learned how to insert not just one, but multiple rows into your Google Sheets, making your data collection and organization a seamless process. Keep practicing these techniques to become more efficient, and you'll notice how much smoother your spreadsheet workflows become. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating through Google Sheets and other useful applications.